Show you how to make some chili beans without having to just buy a can of chili beans. I got some kidney beans right here. Usually I like to use black beans, a little closer to chili beans, but this is what the convenience store had. Pour that in there. Alright, after you get it in there, just mix it around a little bit, just in case there's some oil that might be in it. It'll be nice and mixed well. Now the ingredients you want: black pepper, the coarser the better, some salt, onion powder, chili powder, of course. Optional is garlic powder. I'm adding it because I like garlic. And MSG for that extra hit. Basically, you just start adding your ingredients. Whoa, whoopsie daisy, that was a bit too much. Alright, so I had to surgically remove some of that stuff from the beans. Well, not that one, but most of it. So I got the pepper jack now. And let's just make sure that is actually, yes, okay. And then you just add enough. What is enough? Whatever your taste buds say is enough. So I'm just adding just a little bit of each. Now, of course, salt, you don't want to add too much salt, so we will measure this out just a little bit. We'll just give maybe about, I don't know, half tablespoon right about there. And we'll take this and throw it on in. For MSG, you don't want to put in too much MSG. So I'm just gonna just casually sprinkle in just a little bit. Just enough to give it that hit. And then you just mix that shit around. Try not to get all of it on the side of the bowl, of course, because once you get it on the side, it just never wants to come off. And once you get it all mixed, just throw it in the microwave for about a couple minutes and warm it up. And it'll be ready to go on top of some fries. And here's the end result here with the fries, some chili fries. I know it ain't the greatest, but hey, it's cheap and it's good. I like to add this for myself after I'm done with them. Gives it more of a kick. Makes it damn good. So yeah, that's how you can make some cheap chili beans, and a little suggestion on what to put them in.